How to set up Google Drive on Mac. It is very simple to set up Google Drive if you want to sync your account and device details with Google Drive instead of iCloud, because maybe you were previously a Windows user and now you just want to have the convenience of syncing with Drive. To do this, we're going to simply open up our browser and then we're going to type in Google Drive for Mac. When we do that, we will find the official link from Google themselves that says to use Drive for desktop on Mac OS. So we'll just click on Drive for desktop right here, and we'll simply go ahead and then install and set up Drive for Mac OS. And then here you can say download for Mac button. Let the file load up, right? So it will be obviously a DMG file. I'm sure that you are familiar with DMG file if you're using Mac OS. Now after the download is complete, we'll simply go ahead and then launch our Finder app, and over here we'll just double click on it. We just have to install the application, which means to basically copy this onto the applications folder right here. So we have to copy this DMG file or the package file or double click on it, and when you double click on it, it will ask you for installation instructions. Once your installation instructions are complete and that you've signed into your Google account, all of your service and everything will be basically go ahead and then sync on Google Drive instead of Mac. So I hope this video pretty much helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.